In this question, we have a 150-gram tennis ball moving at 15 meters per second west and was heading straight for a person's head when she swatted it with her racket, giving it a velocity of 25 meters per second east. The time of impact was 0 0.1 seconds, and we're going to determine the acceleration of the ball. So let's start off by writing down our direction system. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and say that north and east are going to be positive. And then let's go ahead and write down what we have given. So we're given a little bit of information here. We're given that the initial velocity, v1, is equal to 15 meters per second in the west direction, and that v2 is equal to 25 meters per second in the east direction. So we know that we're going to have to rewrite v1 as a negative value relative to our direction system. We also know that time is 0 0.1 seconds. By analyzing what we have here and noting that we need the acceleration of the ball, I'm going to make use of the fact that I have the equation A, acceleration as a vector, is equal to the change in velocity divided by time. So we need to make sure here that when we write b2, we write it as the negative value here. So note that delta v is equal to v2, sorry, v1 is going to be negative, minus v1 over t. v2 is 25 meters per second east. v1 is going to be minus, but negative 15 meters per second east. Because the question gives it to us in the west direction, but we're going to make use of our north-south direction plane. Our time is 0 0.1 seconds. So we have everything we need now. This is just some calculator math. 25 plus 15 is going to be 40 meters per second east. Divided by 0 0.1 seconds is going to give us 400 meters per second squared, which are the units for acceleration in the east direction.